Yo, guys. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody feeling? Hope everybody's feeling good, ready for the day. Whew. You may notice we're no longer at the Moon Mansion. And the moon gets boring, guys. You guys haven't been there, you wouldn't know. It's alright, just take my word for it. There's not a lot to do. You know, it's lonely. Elon Musk just sits there, plays Fortnite. It's not a good time. So we're taking off. We're heading somewhere a little more interesting. We'll see where the tides of space take us. So, just as I said, as I imagined, the minute we stopped streaming yesterday, immediate sell-off. Makes sense, right? Bitcoin watches us. It watches this stream. It's a big fan. It just likes to wait till I'm sleeping or until I'm not paying attention and just goes for it. Looks like the 11,150-ish support. 11,171. Looks like it held not too terribly. That is quite a pattern going on here, isn't it? Looks a lot like this. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let me draw it out. Does look like this channel did us some good. Gave us the early warning right here. Let's zoom in on it. Early warning. Not too bad. Although this catches my eye. I see something here. I don't know. Do you guys see it? Do you see what I see? Looks like perhaps there's another channel here. Where could it be? Somewhere around here. Oh yeah. That looks like something. Maybe that's not quite right. I know it's here. It's here somewhere. Where are you? This? Reveal yourself to me, channel. Show me your secrets. That That could be right. There's something else here. We're gonna find it today. We're gonna find it. Might take some time. We're gonna be patient. So where? It's somewhere. It's somewhere here. I'm thinking this channel pushed out. It's got pushed out. Where did you go? Maybe just clone it. Is that it? Oh, that's gotta be it. Here it is. Probably gonna connect back here, right? Ooh, that's looking right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Bouncing on the channel, top of the channel, middle of the channel. Broke through. Oh yeah. Double channel. Dual channel. Dual channel radio. How are you guys feeling? Bullish, bearish, duckish, peckish? I'm peckish, man. I need me some foods, but no time. We didn't pack enough food on the spaceship, so we're gonna just have to make do. I like that. I like that. Anthony says link bullish. Probably. Yo, Freedom Rider. 2 days in a row. Much love. Happy hump day. Yes. The best day to hump, some say. Let's get our hellos out of the way. Let's get them. Crypto Slowjo with the membership first, as always. What's up, my friend? Greg D was the first. Greg D the first. Chris Cirque the third. Brother to Lucian. To Lupon the third. Anthony the fourth. R. Martin. What's up, dude? Yep, well, so here's the plan. It's a 100K Vegas party. 1 million space party. But the space party is by invite only. Passport stuff and KYC. KYA, know your astronaut. Pete Rolton, what's up? Good morning. Phallic Doctor, great name. Looking at a bat wing pattern. Anthony, we definitely can take a look at Link then. In fact, I will one-up you. I will one-up you here. And I will bring it onto... I'm trying to stay a little more organized. I'll bring it onto the task tab. Perfect, stable, Sharpie genius. Good morning. Homo sapien. When will the gap fill? It's pretty far down. Got a long ways to go. Gap hanging out, 9,650. 9,950. Pretty big gap. Pretty big gap, some would say. Some would say. Johnny Smith, what's happening, mate? How are you? Pete Rolton, again, digging the sounds. Always. Said J685, what's up, good morning. Troy Rudd. Seems a lot of people are interested in Link again. This would be the third day in a row. Not surprising. Although I will say I've noticed people are looking for a dip. And last time I checked it, it was dipping. So I'm wondering what kind of dip they're looking for. I'm a guacamole fan. I like guacamole. Take nacho cheese, those are my dips. Sticking to them. I'm not even gonna say this guy's name. Shithole. Last name. Good morning, my friend. Greg D bringing up the Dixie. Yes, we will definitely be taking a look at the Dixie. We got a little wood chipped yesterday by it. But I have a good feeling. I have a good feeling. Up in space, they don't accept dollars anyway, so it's not really that important. Coin Collector. Good morning, brother. Good to see you. Welcome back. Rune Restrada. Welcome. New face. Happy to have you. Frank C., you did not miss the show yet. If you're still here, you didn't. Mr. Krya. Good morning, good morning. Thomas Vine. Returning again. Good to see you. I'm the legendary. Yeah, well, I was lost. That's what took me a little bit. Well, it wasn't me, but it was my crew. So far, we've lost most of them. We lost a few yesterday, and a few more today. We left Elon, though. Elon's out of the crew. He's on the moon. Tim Apple. Tim Apple. Tim Apple. With the... What was that, sloth? Sloth picture? Love sloths, man. Great creatures. Ooh, Freedom Rider. Freedom Rider joining the Traders League. Welcome. Welcome back, actually. You've been in here before. Welcome back. Evil Bunny. From Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Please don't kill me. Vesemir, I feel like I always talk to you. Sorry, I didn't mean to miss you. I noticed you. And I appreciate you. Appreciate you being here. I have not seen Rick and Morty yet, Anthony, no. They're a little shy. Greg Samansky. Welcome, brother. Lady plants a lot. It's good to see you, lady. Yeah, catching up, Super Blue. It's my boy, Super Blue. What up? E-Hole back again. I love it. I love we're seeing the old fam return. It's wonderful. Brings joy to my heart. Ooh, look at that portfolio command. I just need to update that or disable it. Maybe I'll just disable it for now. It hasn't been updated in months. Months. That's my bad. I need to be on that. Where did you go? I'll do it later. Too busy. Wolfpack Radio, the man himself, here in person. Awesome. Nalu Adeo. Hello. And ciao. James M, what's up, my brother? Good to see you. Damon. Live long and prosper, bruh. Kits, it's hella good to be back, man. It's the best. It's the best feeling. I'm back with my family. Reunited. It's unfortunate the timing. I took this trip up to the moon and beyond right as we came back, but as soon as I'm back, guys, I'm gonna come see you. Come visit every single one of you. JPBJJ Elizondo. What's up, man? Good to see you. Real estate, where have you been, buddy? Like, you just keep missing the videos. And like I like wait for you. And you don't show up. Alfresco, my brother, smash that like. Yes, please smash the likes, smash the subscribe buttons, hit the bell. What else? Join the Discord. There you go. Oh, good timing, bot. That bot was reading my mind. How did it know? Crypto Waz. Crypto Waz. Dude, brother. Thank you for the $100 donation. You are so appreciated, my friend. I know you had some issues with that. Streamlabs is... People have had problems with Streamlabs, man. You would think that Streamlabs, the thing that they would work on and make work right away, is when people want to spend money, but I've had so many people come to me and be like, man, did my order go through? Did my donation go through? And the answer is almost always no, so... Wait, what? The message. Crypto Waz, BTC, ETH, and Link. Buy 'em and hold, says the Crypto Waz. Here you go, Tom. He is a man of his word. The man made me a promise. I told him multiple times. Doesn't have to do this. But out of the goodness of his heart, he's dedicated. I'm changing lives every day. Man, do that. You're just flattering me. That's... changing lives. Whew. Heavy words. Heavy words. Thank you, man. Maximilian Ackerman. How you doing, my friend? Suppa Viral Connections. Well, man, it's not a background. I'm up here in space. Yesterday we were on the moon. If you check out the video from yesterday, we were up on the moon and the moon got boring. So we're moving on. Greener pastures. It's got to be something better. That's where we are. We're traveling. Destination unknown. Unknown. Wolfpack Radio. Well, I will say, Crypto Waz, you did have that right. I did change one person's life, but I can't take like total credit because it's just because I played this song. Let me just turn it up a little bit for you. There we go. Let me know if the music gets out of hand volume-wise. Thank you for the subscription, Suppa. Suppa Viral Collectibles. Super Blue. You can be my first mate. Me first mate. I love you guys. You know, I've been liking this scheduled time thing, and yeah, I didn't mess it up actually. This was intentional. We're gonna be working. This is a work in progress. We're gonna be working with what fits best. And the 8 a.m. East, you know, it was good. It worked. 8 hours of streaming, that wasn't so good. I'm ADD. Sure, some of you guys out there are too. 8 hours, man. If I saw a video that was 8 hours long show up on my subscription feed or something, there's a 0% chance I would click it. It'd be like, I don't even know where to start. Like, my brain would immediately just be bored. So at 8 hours, I don't think that's gonna work. So here's what we're doing. Today we're shooting, what did we start at 10 East? It'd be nice, I think maybe 2, maybe 10 to 2. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how we're feeling. See how we're vibing. We got the good energies flowing. We'll figure it out as we go. As we go. Steady as she goes. William Invest, the shirt I was wearing yesterday. Yes. Yeah, there it is. These are the designs that I came up with. And I have no talent for design. Anybody out there thinks they can design merch? Buddy, you let me know. You think you can design merch? I think you can design merch better than I can, so we'll make a thing of it. Maybe if you do a really great job, I'll buy you something. I wish I could the merch doesn't come to me. The payments don't come to me. It's like all through Streamlabs. It's all single order, custom made, you know, very customizable. But it stinks because I would like to be able to, I don't know, like sometimes people ask me to sign stuff. I'd like to be able to like include a note, but none of it comes to me. I don't get any of your information. It just goes to Streamlabs and then the stuff shows up at your house. So, I mean, that's still a good system though. That's probably better though, really. Like, I don't know if I would trust someone, like random person with my shipping info and stuff and credit card number and yeah. I'm more of a verify guy, not so much a trust guy. And this almost played. No, yeah, this doesn't look right. Close. Could be. We'll see what happens. This was my estimation from yesterday. What I thought was going to happen. I thought it was going to happen off 11.3. I was mistaken. Close though. Not bad. Van Widjuk TV, buddy. Just because you've never been to space doesn't mean it's not real. Alright, I'm up in space right now. I will open this door and we'll all just get sucked out into space and blow up or whatever happens. Hey, you can see it right now. It's in the background, man. It's total. This is a totally real background. It's not. Don't go on Google and type in ISS space station pictures from inside. Don't do it. Because if you do, then you'll just end up finding my picture that I posted to Google. Yeah, you guys crack me up. You crack me up. Skate Nate, what up, brother? You weren't expecting to wake up like this. Well, prepare to wake up like this every day, my friend. This is what we're doing now. This is our new jam. Yeah, exactly. See, lady knows. Space is real. She has ad space. It's real. It's a real thing. Much love, Van. Much love. Thanks for stopping by. Okay. Are there snakes in space? There were snakes on the plane to the rocket, but I haven't seen any in space yet. But there were a lot on that plane. I was getting tired of them. Can you play sports? Depends what kind of sports. You can only play space sports. Space sports. Space sports. Best sports. Big Sky Crypto. Good morning. Good morning and welcome, brother. Space. Yeah, space exists. Yeah, it's space between my ears. I got a bunch of space there too, so. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at some charts. Specifically, let's look at Dixie. The old Dixie. The highlight, or the guest star of yesterday's show. Dixie herself.
All right. I'll tell you the truth.
Oof, losing momentum. MACD losing momentum. No. The Momo. No Momo.
Remember all the happy times we had?
What could it mean?
We're very much alike.
Let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. True of everything.
Remember all the happy times we had.
Yeah, I've never really noticed this. That's what I love about charts, man. You can look at the same chart over and over and over again. And then you can still find something the next time you look at it. Something you've never seen. So we do have this rather,
I'll tell you the truth.
I got 8 years, rather old trend. Historic. And we do see a little support here. That would make sense. This is pretty easy to spot. I think my 7-year-old cousin could spot that maybe there could be a line there. That makes sense. It's a logical bounce. 1 point. It's probably 2, 3 points, 4 points. Okay. Remember, every time you touch a trend, it weakens. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. In here. Yeah, I already have the RS. Alright. Alright. Okay, you're telling me I already did something? I don't believe it. Oof. Oof. That RSI, oof. Man, that is savage. Glad Bitcoin doesn't look like this. Oof. Ooh, buddy. That is rough. One touched oversold, touched overbought. One touched oversold, 2 touched oversold. Oof, 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 oof. Honestly, I'm looking at this. I'm surprised this took so long to bounce. Absolutely. Absolutely, we're gonna see this RSI come back down. If the Dixie wants any hope of anything, man, it wants to coil, wants a lower, then it wants to come up. If it has any hope, it's gonna need this divergence. It's gonna need it. And what it's gonna really need is that divergence with a higher low. So hopefully above this trend line for the bulls. I don't know, are there really even bulls on the Dixie anymore? Is that like a thing? Everybody's into stocks, everybody's into gold, crypto. Are there like dollar bulls still? You're like, I want my savings. I want my savings to only lose 2% a year. I only want to lose 2% a year. I don't want to lose more than that. I want a guaranteed loss of 2% per year. Yeah, I don't know. Are there Dixie bulls? I know there have, people are a fan of the dollar with good reason. And I know when the dollar was very strong, let's talk 17, back in early 2000s. I don't have history before that, but early 2000s, like I could see that up here, man. Of course you're a fan of the dollar up here. Because you just had a 20% gain in just your currency. By doing nothing, you gained 20%. Bam. I'd be a fan of that. And you're getting paid in it, probably. That makes sense. But here, I don't know why would you be a fan here? And this has nothing to do with America. This is just looking at it like gold, silver, like Tesla. Just from a chart, You're losing value. Typically investors not interested when things are losing value. Especially new investors. New investors only like expensive things. They don't like cheap stuff. They don't like discounts. They like expensive stuff that everybody else wants. Whoa. Dang, yo. Ooh. Look at that monthly RSI. Whoa. Oh. I need to find more. Or no, yeah, I need to find more history on the dollar on TradingView. If anybody knows that ticker, let me know. I want to see the last time. I want to see the last time it hit 15 on a monthly. Boof. Boof, man. That is savaged. Absolutely savaged. Though, it savaged for sure. Technically, this could be a crazy divergence. I doubt. I don't really believe this, but let's just go with it. This is the lowest RSI point. This is not the lowest value. In fact, it's 20% up again. It's about 20% from the bottom there. Got a little div. Monthly div. We'll see. We'll see. Oh wait, huh? Oh man, guys, my brain's still warming up. Look how stupid I am. What am I doing? I had this line was drawn. Okay, that was drawn from like the weekly that I just drew, and I thought that actually. Oh, guys, what am I doing today? Where's my brain? Okay. All right, I was like, whoa, maybe the dollar is really bullish, and I'm an idiot. Like, holy crap. Oops. Oops. Okay. This makes much more sense. I was like, I've never seen anything like that. Okay. Okay, much more logical. Okay. What do you guys think about the dollar? Up, down, left, right? Yeah, dude, actually you are correct. Anthony. Sharpie genius. You guys are correct. I didn't want to share it. I didn't want to let everyone in on that secret. But that's where the rocket ship's going. We're catching up with Link, baby. Catching up with Link. That was a long setup for not very funny, but I liked it. I like the energy. I gotta wake up. I just thought that my own drawing was an RSI and didn't even notice that the RSI was many candles ahead of right now. So that was, who knows? Yeah, you're right. I was trying to manipulate the market, telling everyone that monthly RSI had hit 15 in the future or something. Big Wave Dave. I like that name, dude. Tribe Chilla A, what's up? Welcome back, dude. Yeah, we're getting into stuff. We just started. We're already ahead of the game here. We're already killing it. Guys, we're way ahead of schedule. You guys can just relax now. We're so ahead of schedule. Like, you just take a break. You should feel accomplished. Because you're part of this team. Alright, these arrows aren't looking so crazy anymore, are they? Weekly Vesemir. Vesemir, very talented trader. Very respected. OG of this channel. You know, you guys love your Stotch. Love your Stotch RSI. I don't know why people like it so much. I guess though, you know what? Fair enough. I also am not a fan of. I'm also not a fan of EMAs. And I feel like Stotch RSI is the EMA of RSI. If that makes sense to anybody. Doesn't have to. Makes sense to me. It's all that matters. No, that color's not good. Close enough. Oof, yeah. Huh. I never, yeah, I'm pulling it up because I never look at it. I just don't like it. I don't like the... Maybe I would like it more if I researched Stotch and found out exactly how it's calculated. I have found, guys, I recommend that 100%. 100%. It's one thing to know, you know, you look at RSI, what do you need to know about it? You could never have looked at a chart before and someone could say, when it touches here, sell, when it touches here, buy, you know? And you could function off that. But a lot of indicators aren't that easy. You know, like MACD, especially this one, like, you look at this as someone who's never traded, you'll have no idea what's going on. And I found the best thing to do is go look into the math. Look into the math. That's what brought me to love Ichimoku. Other than it's pretty also. But look into the math behind it. What is it calculating to get here? And understanding that gives you so much more insight into what that indicator is telling you. Seriously. That is... I don't know if I've ever said that before here, but that is really pro advice. Go look at it, and no one does that. People are just like, nah, I know how that works. It goes up or it goes down. I think if I looked into RSI, Stotch RSI, at the calculations, I think that I'd probably grow a little more love for it. Looks like it just swings from 100 to 0. I think they'll start adding it to charts just because you guys love it. You guys love it. Master Benny, what is up, my man? It's good to see you. The love when the fam shows up. Oh, Black Betty, Bambalam. Good morning. Good morning. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. I think I didn't technically lose, right? This arrow's lower. Haha, I didn't technically lose. Yeah. Yeah, not yet. Let's put an arrow there so I can keep score in my own mind and then not bring it up. And then feel bad about it if it's wrong. Ta-da. That's what I do. Certainly probably needed to be over a little bit. That's looking not bad though. But I did base this on it happening sooner, like the top of this channel. But the high then would be lower. Rico S. What up, my brother? What up? Scratch my beard. Helps me think. Another pro tip. Grow a beard so you have something to scratch. For the ladies out there watching, you can just get like a wig beard. That works too. It doesn't have to be real. It also goes for people who can't grow a beard for whatever reason. I just don't. I'm just not sure how people read these. Like, yellow and white, that might be terrible. That's terrible. I don't even know how to set this to look good. Black. Okay. There we go. Actually, that's way better. Yep, that is just that's a scientific fact, Rico. It's about a 6% edge just by doing this. Mm, 11,650 and you're liquidated. Man, that is too close for comfort. That is 0.3% away. Yeah, dude, yeah, and you have to hodl it. You have to hodl the beard. You do not trade the beard. That's a hodl. It's a hard hodl. That's a cold hodl. Colder hodl. Wazza. That's the best name, guys, sorry. Wazza. That's the best name because it's just wazza. And then I said hello and I said his name. Zoom in more. 30-minute cross. 15-minute riding the 25. Into the 30-minute cross. That's not bad. Not a bad sign. Let's inch up our time frames. There we go. We caught it. We caught it off guard. 45-minute. 25 is absolutely heated, though. When MAs get heated like that, they do tend to push the price. Hour. Okay, here we go. More flat. We have a flat 25 and a declining 50. And we're right at the hourly 50. That's gonna be some resistance. 50 always has some resistance. I don't know who decided that back in the day. Someone did. It wasn't me. Yay. 11,687. A break of 11,687. That could be spicy. We can see this local high descending trend. That could be a spicy meatball. 25 2-hour. Just crossed bearish. Probably reflective of this though. Moving averages are lagging, especially when you don't use exponential ones, which I don't. I prefer them to lag. So there is some degree of, after they cross, there's always a possibility of a bounce or of a retest of that cross because they're lagging. So this cross here is showing us this decline. So it's showing what already happened. It's not showing us the future. And you can see, boom, comes right back up to it. It really works that way very often. Something to keep an eye out on. Here we go, same value. I'm seeing a lot of congruence right here. Convergence. Let's just call it 11.7. I think that is one of our 11,750. Might be lowered though. A lot of convergence right here. You can even see these trend lines crossing. Trend line from all the way back. Mid-July. The wick on the 2nd of August. Coming up, we dropped under it yesterday, right as our stream ended. And then the local high, we see that converging right here. About, 3 hours maybe? No, many hours. 4 hours. Something like that. See a lot of conversions here. We're seeing a lot of moving averages. You know, almost every time frame we've looked at now has had moving averages hovering around here, whether they're indicating bullish or bearish. You know, we kind of had both. But the fact that they're kind of stacked over this convergence to me means that's probably a point of liquidity. Bitcoin does love points of liquidity. It's a big fan. I think that there's good odds it'll test there. Could be a lot of resistance though. Could be a failed test. Push it to the 90, 900, 15 hour bullish engulfing off of the tweezer bottom. Beautiful. All right, my Stotch RSI fans here. I need you. I'm calling on you. Give me a lesson. My eye. And as I said, not a Stotch RSI guy. My eye says this might be bullish. We're seeing the lows come up. Seeing a cross. Give me a lesson. How would you interpret that? As a Stotch RSI guy. Whoever feels that they are. Looking for incorrect answers only, please. Wazza, dude, you never bet your beard on leverage, dude. That's crazy. Never risk that. Never risk that liquidation. King, Valhalla King, brother, pumped up on Twitch. Yes, I know. Yeah, I only read one chat at a time. I can't possibly read all of the different stream chats at once. I can barely keep up with one with just YouTube. Yeah, this show is a little different. Oversold, very bearish. See, incorrect answers only. Bam, savage. So, okay. This would be bearish. Only because it's on the oversold side? Wouldn't it, what I'm observing here is that Stotch oscillates from 100 to 0. It seems that it caps at 100 and it always hits 100, it seems. Or, 99 maybe. When oversold. Okay, maybe I do see what you're thinking. That makes sense too. Because I would assume that this then would be like the bullish setup. Let me see if anything happened there. Oh, yeah, a little bit. Okay. What I like about it, and again, please, this is like the first time I've put Stotch RSI on a chart. In a year, maybe 2 years, 3 years, I don't know. I've had it up before. I haven't used it in a long time. What I see here is I see 3 higher lows. 1, 2, 3. And then I see local highs. Wonder if there's anything that's similar. This is similar right here. Except this got another little lip down. Let's look at what happened there. I honestly do not know. Nothing good. Nothing good happened there. Okay. So I guess this is what we'd be looking for. It comes down. No, you know what? This was the lower low. So I guess I can infer that if these uncross and this white line passes this white line's low, that's probably a super bearish signal. That's me, mate. Like, I don't know, working my way mentally through Stotch RSI this morning. Look at the daily Stotch, sure. Tesla up. Yeah, we gotta get to Tesla then too. Daily Stotch. See, to me, this looks more bearish than the Stotch I was just on. I don't know crap about the Stotch though, man. That was Vesemir, you wanna chime in? Overlay with the normal RSI. Actually, that's a really good idea, Alfresco. How do I don't know, I've never done anything like that on TradingView. I didn't know you could like add indicators to each other. Question mark. Drag them onto each other. Okay. I wonder if I just like, what? Boom, dude, just boom. Boom, my mind was just blown. What? I've been using TradingView for years, and I never knew you could do that. Learn something new every day, man. Every day. That's freaking sweet. I like that a lot. What color should I make? That's good enough for me for now. I literally, I know you guys probably think I'm joking. I did not know this. I did not know this. Wow. That changes everything. Can I do like this? What? What? Now it's a mega indicator of gibberish. Now no one can ever find anything useful, probably at all, from it, but that's really cool. That actually opens up a lot of possibilities I've never thought of. I like it. Alright. Anyway, I think we have a pretty good look at Bitcoin. Maybe it's time to move on. Alan, you must have not been here yesterday. We were already on the moon. We were on the moon yesterday. Got bored. Time to move on. Yeah. Greg, I see the merit in that. You said that it looks bullish, or something. Maybe not. Maybe I'm misquoting you. But I looked at it and thought, man, this is bearish. Like we haven't even seen a pinch yet. Skate Nate, you know me too well, man. I love my gibberish. Just love my gibberish. Let's whip it over to Tesla, man. I don't know how you guys feel about that. Tesla time. Tesla. I've been a fan of Tesla for years. Back when people people in the investing community used to make fun of me. They would make fun of me and they'd say, why would you ever like Tesla? Why would you invest in a company that doesn't make any money? They don't have any profits. I don't know, man. I don't know, but guess what? Suck it. Right to the bank. There we go. What's drawn me to Tesla is that most companies are what I consider oh no, I didn't set that up right, so I can't have Tesla up there. Oh, well, you don't get to see me during this then. Most companies are what I consider like, I'll call it like add a clock to it, and that's their business model. So like I made a vacuum cleaner with a clock in it. We sold 100 million units and we made a bunch of profit. Cool. That's capitalism. Cool. I mean, that's capitalism. Great. Yeah, you're successful. You made profits, but you didn't do anything. At the end of the day, you accomplished nothing. Like you didn't add any value. There's no value there. You sold your product probably by just mass advertising. You calculated your, cost per requisition, and you made it work. Awesome. But you didn't do anything as a company. Your company is useless. Anybody could have added a clock to the vacuum cleaner. They just didn't because it's stupid. Nobody needs a clock on their vacuum cleaner. Tesla is a company. This is the reason. The only reason I like them, or have liked them for a long time. They're doing things. They're progressing. They're advancing. They're coming up with meaningful technology that adds meaningful value to an economy. A clock on a vacuum cleaner doesn't add any value. No value. Zero. So, Tesla announced yesterday, this might have been while we were streaming, announced yesterday, I do believe, that they are going to perform a 5-to-1 stock split. What does that mean? I'll tell you what it means. It has a pretty cool tie-in with crypto, so I hope I don't forget that point. Probably will. 5-to-1 split, what does it mean? It means that for every 1 share of Tesla that you own by, I think it's August 21st. Or August 21st? August 21st. By the deadline. Pretty sure it's the 21st. If you own a share of Tesla, no matter how many shares you own, after the 21st, if that's the correct date, you will have 4 additional shares for each share you own. They're splitting 5-to-1. And so what does that mean? Honestly, it means nothing. It means nothing in a technical sense. But it means something in a psychological sense. We see this, yes, tied it in, didn't even forget. We see this in crypto a lot. It's something that almost every single new person I've ever seen in crypto fall victim to. Is how much does it cost? How much does it, Bitcoin is a 10 grand. No one's gonna pay 10 grand. Most people don't buy 1 Bitcoin. That's been true for many years now. Most people don't just buy 1 Bitcoin when they start. It seems a little crazy. Don't know. Crypto vacuum cleaner with a clock. That is revolutionary though. It's blockchain. Public ledger of vacuuming. So Thomas Vine. That is the, I guess one of the important factors here is, for whatever reason, stocks have all these strange rules, like trading hours. Don't understand it. Another one of those strange kind of rules is that stocks are sold in whole pieces. I don't understand that. Why? And we're seeing a movement away from that with platforms like Robinhood. They're selling fractional shares. I don't know why it wouldn't be that way to start. It seems so dumb. It just seems like it just doesn't make any sense to me. Why? But that's changing quickly, and so I love that you gave me that softball. So here's what's happening is exchanges are now catering to retail more, and by necessity, they're offering fractional shares. So what does a stock split mean when there are fractional shares? It means absolutely nothing. It means absolutely nothing if fractional shares are available, which they are for Tesla, but they're not available everywhere. Not every platform has them. So there's a little more access there. There'll be a little more access there for Tesla, at 10, 1200. if you have to buy a whole share, that is excluding a lot of people. However, I think the people that aren't buying a whole share of Tesla are probably on Robinhood, and they're buying fractional shares. So it honestly, Tesla might be one of the last companies. This is my honest opinion. It might be one of the last companies to have like a successful split. Not every split is successful. I guess the point is like they split and then eventually they want to like regain their pre-split price. That's like the goal, I guess. But we see companies that have never done that, and that makes sense. So like GM, I think they split at like 2000 and never made it back. They split 3-1, if I remember. But that means you have to triple your cap. I mean, that's a big goal. But this might be one of the last ones, because retail, places like Robinhood, they're really exploding, and it's clear that fractional shares should have just been there from the start. Oh yeah, the other tie-in. So we see I was saying that we see people say, oh, Bitcoin's 10K. No one will buy it. Who wants to spend $10,000 on a Bitcoin? I'm gonna buy. This is nothing against. You guys know I don't really talk smack on any specific coins unless they're straight out scams like BitConnect or something. This has nothing to do with the coin. It's just the first example, the most known example that I can name off the top of my head. XRP. You hear this from so many new people. They come into this space and they say, Bitcoin's too expensive. I can't buy Bitcoin. It's 10 grand, 20 grand. XRP is only a penny. It's only 10 cents. It's only 20 cents. I'm gonna get that instead. It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. It makes no difference. Whether you buy 0.00001 of a $1 jillion coin or you buy 10 trillion of a 1/1,000,000th of a penny coin. That does not make a difference. There's no value. There is one small value in stocks. Actually, it's a considerable value. There is one, I'll say arguable value in stocks that deviates, although crypto has examples of this too. So in stocks, if you own 100 shares, you can do what's called a covered, oh man, I'm blanking on the word. Someone help me. It's like a covered. Essentially what they do is if you have 100 shares, you have to have 100 shares minimum. You can essentially be paid to make a limit order. Like they pay you to have a limit order, to attract liquidity, whatever. That's the only advantage. Covered call, Rico S, my man. Yeah, covered call, that's an advantage. We have a similarity. We have something similar to that in crypto, for proof of stake coins. You see even master nodes is kind of like a similarity. You know, we have very specific vehicles that there is some kind of weird minimum, but it just, other than that, outside of those things, it does not matter. So for this Tesla split, I think Tesla's looking awesome. Tesla's been looking awesome. Absolutely, people are going to fall victim to what I just described with Ripple. They're going to fall victim to that. Again, for those just joining us, this has nothing to do with Ripple. It was just low cost per coin. And that lots of people fall victim to that when they start crypto, not understanding that that doesn't matter. It's not relevant. They're going to fall victim. They're going to say, man, Tesla's 15,000. I'm not paying 15,000. No way. Even though they can buy fractional shares. These people saying this probably have never bought a full share of almost anything. They'll say, I couldn't afford that. Even though they could put $10 or something and buy a fraction. But after the split, so let's say right now price freezes, Tesla doesn't move at all until then. At that 5-to-1 split, it will go from $1,500 to $300 a share. People are going to go, I can afford that. $300. Yo, Tesla was $1,500 before. Now it's $300. I'm getting it. This is amazing. Now I can buy. That's going to attract some. It's going to attract some. At least retail investors. Do retail investors move the market? Not really. But it is, added attraction, added money. Nothing wrong with that. Doesn't hurt it. For those who are still not totally, who still feel they have questions about a split. So like I said, say it stops at 1,500. That's a great number for this. You have one share right now. Let's say the split is today, right now. Now I have 5 shares, but each of those shares is only $300. So 300, 300, 300, 300, 315. The value of what I own is not changed. It's the exact same. If Tesla doesn't split and it goes up 10%, you've made $150. If it does split and you have these 5 shares at 300 and it goes up 10%, you made $150. Nothing changes. It really is just the psychological aspect. Right now. Right now, it is just a psychological aspect. Before fractional shares were becoming really popular, as they should be, like I was ranting about, there made more sense. It made more sense, but it was making more sense out of a system that was stupid. Like, it's just a stupidly designed system. So that's why that's my prophecy. The Tom Crown Tesla prophecy is that it will be known as one of the last companies to split successfully. Don't know. It's a dip scheme. Yeah. I mean, that's not a bad way to put it. I don't think it's malicious. I don't think it's malicious. I don't think it's bad that they're doing this. I think they're doing this to drive their stock price up. Of course. I mean, of course they are. That's like what companies do. So yeah, mark my words, to quote so many people that have come in this chat. Mark my words. Tesla will be known as one of the last successful stock splits. Because once they offered fractional shares everywhere, there's only going to be one reason to ever split. And that reason is, honestly, just to deceive people and to drive your price up. I think there's a difference between doing stuff to drive the price of your stock up and trying to just be deceitful. I don't feel deceit now from Tesla, but in, say, a few years when, I don't know, everywhere offers fractional shares, to split your stock is literally just like kind of scammy. It's like, ooh, it's cheaper now. Like, I think now there's at least a little reasoning, because there still are places that don't, and I think that they want to tap that liquidity. Makes sense to me. I think what we're also going to see is, as I think that stocks are going to keep rallying. I think that the Dixie is going to plummet. I think it's going to continue its plummetacy. I think we're going to see a lot more companies doing this soon. I think that they're going to use this in the shady mechanism that I just said. To deceive people into thinking it's cheaper, and to deceive people into thinking stocks aren't overvalued, because all of them, their earnings, their values are ridiculous. So this makes total sense that they're going to use this to preserve overvalued stock prices. Really just trick people into thinking they're not as high as they were. And really, guys, like, I'm bullish on Tesla. Would I go long here on Tesla right now? Yeah, maybe I would, actually. I don't say that often. Maybe I would. We are at the top of this triangle, though. Probably probably wait to see if we fill this gap personally. Yeah, that's what I would do. I would wait down here, 13 something. Or maybe breakout. Maybe I would just buy on a breakout, say 15.25. I don't know. But something to remember is that Tesla they don't make toasters or vacuum cleaners with clocks. Tesla makes memes. And memes only go up. We know that. This is getting confusing with all the screens. There we go. So as we always do, as good traders, do your little trading ritual. Set up the chart in the same format that you always do. Just like you see me do with every chart. You know, I'll even throw the stotch on there for you guys, because that's how open to new ideas I am. Oh, dude, Fresco, I'm still loving that. My mind is still absolutely blown that you literally can just drag indicators on top of each other. That's mind-boggling to me. Mind-boggling, dude. I have it on Coinbase crap. There we go. A little more time. Does anybody know the chart on TradingView that has the longest link USD? History. That's an important word there. All right, on the daily. Increasing Momo. The Momo is increasing. RSI. Wow, really? Wow, that's pretty. Link is such a pretty chart. What do you guys think? So pretty. We have just beauty, just bringing up the highs consistently over and over. Over and over. Higher high on the daily RSI. I mean, it's overbought, of course. But overbought. This is crypto, man. Tell me when it's been overbought for 3 months. Then I'll worry. Let's go with the channel. We're seeing a lot of channels here off of March. I think we should slap it on link too. Beautiful. Should check if anybody said USD T. Yes, but what exchange? What exchange has the longest history? I thought I typed in that. Or no, I thought it doesn't matter. You just type in USD and USDT should come up. No. Anybody know? What chart on TradingView has the longest? I mean, this is okay for now. This is fine. Ooh. No. What? I'm trolled. Alright, well, I just fact-checked myself. Just proofed my concept. Got pretty much the exact same target. Even though I'm on a different exchange. I originally did this on Binance, I believe. Yeah. 1842. Makes sense. So let's look at my real link chart. I like that I came up with almost the exact same thing using a totally different chart. Link in Bitcoin pairs really what impresses me. Actually, you know what? We have that. I have a video on all of this if you really want to go. Joe Blow, thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you. There we go. If you guys want the in-depth scoop on Link, I think I made this video back here. Go ahead and give that a watch. So Link has been traveling in this channel. It's just that just ended. It's, after I published that video, and in that video I said that's what we're looking for. We're looking to leave this channel. It's for the ideal setup. And I said I could imagine something like this. And I just got lucky. Don't think I'm psychic and like guessed this top. There's something like this. Pull back to the top of the channel. Hit our little target box. It did break it. But right back up. And so we're following along. Following along again. I was expecting a back test here of 001 area. And my next target for Bitcoin pair is 00164. was kind of skeptical that it would get there when I first made that video, but I mean, it's trucking. So there's like a Link USD on Coinbase. So I did this one on Coinbase. My target was a little different, 1732. That's about a 5% difference from the target I just whipped up on. I think that was on Bitstamp? I don't know. Bittrex something. What's up, John Angeles? How you doing, brother? Well, let's see. We hit the aggressive pullback. The aggressive long potential. Must have locked that. And we broke the high. New Link all-time high. Like every day you can say that. Seems like every day. Let's pull this over here. I want to mix it up. Get back in the station. So I have two fractals that I found. And I really like them. Really like them. So I don't know, it's going up. So everybody wants to hear the good one, right? Everybody wants to see the green one. Yeah, I was still expecting more of a pullback. I'm surprised. I'm genuinely surprised. Link is a beast. This looked so good too. It hit my box perfectly. Back tested again. Alright. Man, these were so pretty. I was hoping. And then we had the bearish fractal. That was also possible. Doesn't really look like either of those are what's going on, does it? Flip down 4 hour. Beast. Beast, beast. When we looked at this yesterday, we saw this RSI. Well, Link is a coin I traded it a bunch over the last like year. This is pretty much a history of my trades. Buy and sell points, and I'm just chilling on it now. I don't know. I don't have as much as I started with. I just took a lot of profit into Bitcoin. I'm just gonna chill on it. Buying Link right now at $15, I think is a terrible idea. I think that's an awful idea, to be honest. You really don't want to buy stuff at the all-time high. And that all-time high, I would say it's likely to be broken, but it's just a bad practice. It's bad practice. Goodbye, beautiful fractals. You're just like not applicable anymore. Ooh. I was hoping. Alright, 1732. Seems like it wants it. Do I have an alert? Yep, I have an alert there. Let's put another little alert so we can switch back to here if it starts running. Good. Ugh, the girlfriend's making coffee and that smell is turning my stomach. Oh my goodness. Oof. Woof woof. Ah, dude, drowning in that Link gravy. The Link gravy. Yo, Minky Flicker, what's up? Welcome to Tom Crown's Hypnosis Radio. Designed to keep you cool while you trade. The one and only. Oh my god, she needs to stop making that coffee. It is really... I just started drinking coffee this year. Used to give me really bad heartburn. Oof. And I still am not huge on the smell. Whew. Oh man. Whew. You know what? Give me a second here. I gotta do something about this, or I'm going to start feeling not very good. Let's throw this up. Take a little intermission. Be back in 2 minutes. Sorry about that. Ran into some space turbulence. Oh, yeah, that was not fun. Okay, where were we? Where weren't we? Link just bossing. It wants it. You know what? Let's put a box up. Put a box up. We'll combine both the targets into one super target. There we go. That'll do. Alright, so while I was out, got the old alert for the XTZ. Oh no, I don't have a chart for it. What? Unusual. I thought I had this set up down right. Nope. Here we go. Wow. Boss. That is boss. That is a new... As far as I can see, this is Coinbase though. Coinbase doesn't have probably all the history. But for Coinbase, that's a new all-time high. But let's actually copy this. Copy that. Oh wait, this is just Tezos. What am I doing today? What am I doing, guys? I got the moon sickness. It's infecting my brain. Nice. Very nice. Oof. Gonna flip that on the 4 hour? Come on. Increasing momentum on the daily, still going. This may have a full leg up still. Jeez. Jeeps, man. Let's see, what is this? Let's see if there's a measured move. Everybody likes a measured move. $316%. Okay, well, where would that land us? That seems pretty crazy, doesn't it? Hesitant. Hesitant to declare a 316% measured move. That seems wild. Seems like maybe I'm doing something wrong. Oh, there she is. The 2. The 2. The 2 fib extension says 1650 cheaps. All right, how about 10? The ace. $9.36. That'd be wild. Seems too good to believe, so I'm skeptical. We keep seeing these channels. I think that's what's. I think we're just gonna stick with channels. I'm having struggles today. Come on, parallel channel. Let's go. And it keeps moving. What? Let's go like that. September 13th. September 12th. 1650. Oof. That's a hard sell. Will it hit 963? Probably. Could easily see that. Man, that is impressive. Their coins are taking off today. Love to see that. That's the spice. It's the extra spice life. Okay. Wild. Tezos, you are wild, bud. Still do have the resistance up here on Bitcoin pair 0004. Definitely will take some buying power to get through that. And see, I placed this magnet up here forever ago. Still waiting on that. 0004. Elon is on the way. Ah, dude, we ditched him. We can't have him catch up. Link is dumping up. It's dumping in the upwards direction. Upside down dump. That beautiful little back test of the middle of the channel. It said nope. Nope. No, I will not stop. New 4 hour. Okay. I see no reason it's not going to go here. Even if Link takes a path, something like this. Even if it does that, I see no reason it's not going to go to 17. And you could even do like this. Something like that. Link and Tezos, man, all stars today. All stars. Got that alert back. Boom. Jeff Tezos. Upside down dump. It's not actually that messy. It's It's actually just, you have to do it very carefully. It's a very delicate matter. But in space, you know, all dumps are up or down. There is none. They're both the same. I have so many charts up. Let's get through these. Okay. Yes, you can. Just trust me. Trust me on that one, Jeff Tezos. Trust me. You can. You know, it's a good time for. I know. You all secretly know, you're just not sure yet. It's a good time to join the Discord. Everybody everywhere should join the Discord. Become part of the greatest crypto fam in the world. The entire world, not just the internet, the entire world. We have live charts up there 24/7 as well. So even after the show, charts to watch, people to chat with. Make sure you get in there while the doors are still open. I like this W. My air conditioner broke. Air conditioner, what are you doing? What are you doing here? Okay, air conditioner decided to turn to fan only mode, and that's why it's 93 degrees, says the air conditioner. 93. That probably also had something to do with that coffee smell not making me feel good, I would reckon. I'd reckon. Okay. Oof. Jeez. A little sweaty. A little sweaty. Nice. Nice. Quite a few people. See quite a few new faces on the Discord. Good. Good. If you're not in there, you're missing out. Gotta get in there. ASAP. Double time. Justin Moon. Were you here yesterday, man? For the, for our trip to the Moon Mansion. We were just chilling out on the Moon Mansion. That sounds very messy, Rico. Very messy. I think there might be a SpaceX launch today. Actually, I saw on Twitter. I saw Elon tweeting about the pictures of rockets. He's always tweeting pictures of rockets, though. So it could be. To be honest, that would make sense. If I were Tesla, I would absolutely line up my share split announcement with the launch. I mean, that just makes sense. That's just good business. That's good biz. Good for business. Man, I need to not forget about that air conditioner. It is, I think it's like dangerously hot in here now. Ooh. I was too in the zone to notice. Champions, don't get distracted. Not even by slowly dying from 90-degree plus heat. It's because there's so many electronics in this room. And it's also very hot out. But these electronics and these lights, man, it's like an oven. I'm baking. Just gotta keep it together. Happy lunchtime, everybody. Everyone from the US, happy lunch. Ja, brother. Let's get the legend Tommy Bahama. The new air conditioner. Nah, it works, but I appreciate it. Thank you, my friend. Very, very appreciated. You are amazing.
Let's get the legend Tommy Bahama a new air conditioner for his VDA wide party popper happy link day money mouth face.
Much love. Much love. Power lunch. Let's call it power lunch. Nobody eats regular lunch anymore. Power lunch or bust. Switching headsets. Get some tunes. Yo, Chiatra, long time friend. We're here. We're live. It's good to have you here, buddy. Everybody's slowly coming back. Pete Ralton. Man, someone dumping $500,000 at 16. That's just future volume. Gotta have volume. Can't have volume without cells. It's the only way to do it. So no, I don't think so. Luis Castillo. What's up, brother? Good to see you. Thanks for joining us again. Alright, room's slowly cooling down. Thank God. What else is going on in the world? Yeah, Rico S is 100% on. Don't even look at the order books. I don't think that there's really any... I don't think there's any valuable information by looking at, like, in real time at them. I would say that there's some value in things like tensor charts, trading light. Those things can have some value because it shows you not just what orders are up, but it has it keeps track of orders, when they're placed, where they're placed. And it uses that data to kind of construct a visual representation of the order books over time, and I think that has some value. But just the order books by themselves, market makers are aware that you can see that. They're aware that people look at them, and I think they're really just used to confuse people in general. That is my opinion. All right. What can we do? Lena, my darling. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 200 RSD. I appreciate it. Ben, what's up, my man? I saw you earlier and I just blanked. But it's good to have you back, Ben. No problem, Pete. That's why we're here, man. You know, everyone starts knowing nothing about every new topic, and every day after that they know more. That's how you build. That's how you build a pyramid, build a mountain, one rock at a time, you know. BTC Bandit, what's up, my dude? Is XRP dead? I don't think it's dead. I'm not a huge fan. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of XRP. Other people are. That's fine. But dead? No. No, not dead. I find that XRP tends to... it tends to, like... certainly everything goes through cycles. But XRP... It's like it has a lot of hype around when lots of new people come into the space. That's my experience. And when there aren't a lot of new people coming into the space, you don't hear about XRP that often. I think that's a fair way to put it. It's an honest evaluation. Wolfman Howl. What's up, dude? I like that icon. You're the wolf of businessman. I wanted to say of Wall Street, I felt that was too cliche. I wish Chatra. Chatra. I wish. I wish I could just send crypto for everything. I don't want dollars. I don't want to pay fees to get dollars. Wolf of Crypto Street, there you go. Crypto Street. Someday there will be a Crypto Street. And it will replace Wall Street. That'd be cool. Alright. Digibyte. DGB. I do like this coin. I like this coin and I feel okay about, because you guys know I don't really shill coins. Or ever. But I feel okay being enthusiastic about this one. Because it's not an ICO, it's not a pre-mine. It's a decentralized proof of work coin, you know? So there's like no company. So I feel alright being excited about it. Looks like in May, topped out at 296 Satoshis. But it looks like it wants more, doesn't it? Looks like it wants more. So where would it go? We've been nailing this coin too on the way up. This weekly engulfing just gave it away. Gave it all away. Where will we go? Where will we go after 290? 294. My next target. Yo! DL Valhalla. Valhalla King. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much for the bids. Next target. 421 sats. I should just call it 420. You know what? Let's just don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. 420. 420. 420. We got it. Let's take a look at let's grab the RSI. I have a feeling, looking at this, RSI is gonna have a story for us. Not really. Not really. We do have a very defined, very defined low line here on our side for the daily. It's very defined. You do not see this all the time. Super defined. So maybe even more like that. I like the sign. I like this. I like the look of that. I would say I'm looking for DGB BTC to break out before October. So that's not too far away. Actually, very soon. Why do I not have a dollar pair one? Oh, I hate the way I had all these old charts set up. Miserable. There we go. Off in space, man. Just off in space with the dollar pair. Oof. Oof. Get it. Oh yeah. I love this coin. I love it. Not a recommendation, nor financial advice, just my opinion. I love it. It is solid. I like coins that exist because people care about them. That's why I like Dogecoin. Dogecoin exists because people care about it. You don't have to like it. It's not about you. It's about those people. And they certainly like it. Wonder if there's more. I know that. There's no, I mean, there's a Digibyte Foundation, but that is not the same thing as a company lobbying for you, trying to get you into big exchanges. We actually saw many exchanges added this year. They didn't want to miss out on the volume, I guess. It was getting traded a lot, it was rallying. You can see it's made, what kind of gains has it made? I don't even know. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Top to bottom. From March 12th to May 6th. 1600%. 1600%. And that's not even the high. It's already broken that high. $2,000. 2,000%. Alright, that's some gains, I guess. It's not bad. Could be better. Could be. You guys have been around here. You guys have been part of the fam for some time. You would know I have been talking about this coin since before most people had heard of it. Let's be realistic. Next target, 56 cents. Rock and roll. August 22nd, maybe? Question mark. I don't know why I'm putting these targets here. 15. Those are some nice numbers. I like those. Nice psychological. 15 cents on the nose. $0.05. Did I say 57? If I said 57, I don't know what I'm thinking. 5.7. Oof. Those percents earlier were correct. I just added a 0 for some reason. Do I think it will go like this? No, I don't think it will go like this. I'm just doing that because it looks symmetrical. My OCD likes it. Here we go. Let's move. That's good. Next target, DGB USD. 5.78 cents. I believe. Yeah, but for you guys who were around for quite some time, probably remember me talking about this coin way back here. Way back here. In this area, 70 sats, 60 sats area. I forget what coin was going crazy then. I remember this specifically because some coin had really big gains. Honestly, I want to say it was like XLM for some reason. Just like a random coin had jumped. Everybody was talking about it in the chat, and I was like, guys, you want to look for coins that are pumping that nobody's talking about. Yo, John Doof. JD. My man. Thank you so much for the patron pledge. Oh no. Oh no, it's not these people are actually doing it right now. It's doing that thing. Well. I'm gonna mute it, because it might go through bunch of alerts. Everyone, like once a month, they will just redo all of these for some reason. Yep. Well, you know what? These are just shout-outs. Alfresco, JD, Denim Chicken. We're just shouting out all the patrons. Didn't expect that to happen. It scared me. I don't think it's done. I'm gonna turn down Leroy Jenkins. UX Carol. Thank you. I can't tell if it's playing the Leroy. Francesco. My man, my brother. I should make it do this every episode. That way I just like remember to shout them out. That'd actually be smart. Aeneas Maddie. Thank you so much. I still can't tell if it's actually doing the sound. That's why I'm not talking. This music makes you sleepy. What song is on? Oh, it's because it's approaching Nirvana. Oop. Frank Quintana. My man. I think we're probably getting close to the end of the list, right? Vesemir. Brother Vesemir. Eli. Eli needs to come around more. Although I think he was here today. Haven't seen him. Yep, called it live, boys. Let's switch over to the bigger screen. Pop out of the space station. Oh no, Link is dumping upwards. It's upwards dumping. That's illegal in most countries. Upwards dump. Very illegal. Well, I told you guys, I don't see any reason it doesn't want to go to 17. Maybe I'm wrong. I just can't see a reason. Would seem strange to me if it did. Yeah, you know what? It was just yelling. It was yelling Leroy for the candles. Is that still going?
Let's get to work.
if you're wondering what's happened, so am I. The computer that we have running our news from time to time took off and went wild. So what we're going to do is start over from the top. Oh, if you're wondering what's happened, so am I.
This is the sound. Let the beat go.
Okay, the volume was muted. Okay, when I switched to this scene must have had it muted. That's annoying. So I guess you didn't hear anything since I switched over to this. Probably good. All I was saying is, man, how cool would it be if Link touches $17 in the same video where I said that's my target, and I said I don't see any reason why it's not going to go 17. That'd be amazing. I would be impressed with myself. I don't think it'll be that easy though. Nothing ever is that easy. I just really don't see... I don't see why it wouldn't reach there.
This is the sound.
Might take longer than we want. I mean, look at that. That's a bullish setup there on the hourly. 3 candle setup. Bam, bam, bam. Could have longed at 15.52 right now, been up. What? 2%. Damn. Breakout play. Spicy, spicy. You're right, Pete. You're right. You are correct. It's not muted anymore. Better not be. I'm gonna rage. Pump music. It always helps. Yeah, Jaw's right. Jaw's right. I sold my links for my space station. I mean, you gotta make moves. Alfresco, I love pita bread. I don't know if you're joking. I haven't read the whole thing. Dang it, I had that stupid on mute for a while. Oh well. Dude, Link is gorgeous. We've been talking about that forever. If you guys want to see, if you guys need some kind of proof, I'll say proof. You need validation. If you need to be convinced that I'm not totally clueless, take a look at the Melling TA from moons ago. Destroyed it. Dave Microwave, what is up? Yep, I just got the Twitter notifications also. Can music get louder? What? Having all kinds of volume problems today, guys. All kinds of volume problems. Rico S. investing in Tether. Yeah, it's Tether Moon. Tether's gonna go to $10. No, it's not. I'm joking. Sarcasm. Tether to $7. I don't understand the concept of a stablecoin. I don't understand. I don't understand why that's wrong. Link is beautiful. It is. Look at that 2 hour. Blast, 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 blast. Blasting off. Here we go. I like this view. Just roasting marshmallows by the link fire, boys. Getting toasty. It was a humble flex, though. Humble flex. I brought a bag of coins. Don't worry. I can't tell you which ones, but I brought a few of them up here to the station. We're running some scientific tests. Doing a little moon calibrating. Just warm your hands by the fire. Just link fire toasting your marshmallows. It's okay. It's okay. I like them brown, I like them burned. Don't burn my marshmallows. I don't like that. Well, while we're waiting on this, shouldn't be long. Join the Discord. Do it. Join the Discord. Join it now. Discord full of trading information. Stream live 24/7 there. Always has a chart up. It's where you need to be. That way you never lose us. Man, we've been lost before. Trust me. You guys are just joining us. We've gone through all kinds of trials and tribulations, and we really didn't focus on the Discord then. But that showed us how important it is. We were down, actually, only 3 days ago. We were down on YouTube. Couldn't upload. Now we're back. But you never know. You never know. We could go down at any time. We live life dangerously. But if you join the Discord, you'll always be able to find us. You'll always be able to find your home, where you belong. That's weird. I've really never seen that happen. Why did this video right now, this one, for some reason, flagged for eligibility? I've only seen that happen once, but it was with a video that was already uploaded. You know what? I'm just gonna turn off. I'm just turning off monetization then. You know what, YouTube? Just gonna go off then. Don't need it. Don't need ads. Not in my house. Yep, there we are too. Oh, nice. Higher high on the BTC pair here. Good. That's what we're looking for over here. We're looking for it on the USD pair on the right side. Left side we already have it. That's the BTC pair. And it looks like we are going. Looks like we're reaching. We're reaching for the next link BTC target. Right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. Probably want that up. Looks like we're pulling back a little bit, but look at this. Like this candle here. It's very similar. And now this one is a higher high. This looks similar. That's so weird. So I requested a review on the restriction, the limited ad suitability, and I turned off the ads. And then the request was already approved. I don't know how that works. Oh well. Who cares? We don't need ads. I actually didn't. I had planned on having them off. Link BTC is pushing. Sprout the self-proclaimed Forex god. Hey buddy, if you're not your own biggest fan, you're doing it wrong. Gotta be your own biggest fan. Number one. Nice job finding old coins. Dude, I love finding old coins. Open up a wallet you haven't used in like a year and you're like, ooh, look at what's in here. I forgot I had these random things here. Now they're worth money, as opposed to when I put them there and forgot about them because they weren't. Could be. Link could just chill out now, but I mean, it already made some big moves. Already pushed up its high in one day. 11%. That's not bad. Cannot ask for that. Can ask for more. Don't trust anyone. Don't trust it anymore. Yeah, man. Trusting coins when they're up this high, you need to have a very, very tight stop loss. Unless you believe in it. You believe in the future of a coin and you're prepared to hold it through whatever, then do you. And that's fine. That's how I feel about Bitcoin. I would hold Bitcoin down to $1. I would hold it down anywhere. It goes to $1, I'm just buying. I'm going crazy. Throw down, I'll go get a loan. Pete, I feel you, man. Rico, that's beautiful. That's the poetry I like. It's the kind of poetry I like. Sylvie, welcome back. Welcome back, Sylv. Oof. Ooh, we see Tesla's moving too, same time. Simultaneously. Is Link and Tesla partnering? No. Bam. Broke the ascending trend. Looking good. I don't see how this stock split news could go badly, honestly, for Tesla. I don't think that that's likely. Let's put on alert. 1564. Here we go. We'll come back to you if you break that. Joe. Welcome, Joe. Sorry to hear that, my friend. Hopefully, you take those losses as just a expensive lesson. Turn it into something you can benefit from. Because if not, that's the only real loss. The real loss is incurred when nothing is gained. Gotta gain something from every loss. Yo, Santob 700, what's up? Yeah, we got the link chart up, man. We're linking. We're linking up. We're linked in. You win or you learn? Absolutely. Long John Silver with some wisdom. You win or you learn or you should quit. That is what I would say. You either win, learn, or you should quit. Because if you're not going to learn, and you're not winning, then why are you there? Doesn't make any sense. I'm surprised. I'm surprised more people aren't jumping on. I guess Bitcoin itself is being a little boring. Still kind of ranging in this, what I think is a reversal pattern, but actually, let's see about that. No. Let's see about that. That trend looks like it probably got very close. Nope, didn't get close. Back to the 11.5. Hopefully that's support. That's probably why. I guess a Link is really exciting right now, but Link doesn't have the same draw as when Bitcoin's being exciting. Everybody runs in. Actually, it's like pretty quiet on many market fronts. Look at silver. I mean, for silver, the last few weeks, this is calm. Just ranging here. Like 23 to 26. Gold, same thing. Ranging. Dixie was dumping, but it was a really slow dump, and then now it kind of looks like it wants to range too. Bitcoin 4 hour, yep, that's why. I feel like I can tell how much volatility Bitcoin's experiencing by how many viewers there are at any given time. They're normally very, very correlated. Oh yeah, straight phase shifting. Well, while it's boring, 110 people watching, only 70 likes. Come on, let's smash those likes, please. Por favor. Not for me, but for everybody else. Everybody else. The more likes it has, then the more people, like the more visibility it gets, and then more people see it, and then more people join. This is a whole cycle. That's true, Skate Nate, that's true. Really, I mean, you can technically do it more than once, it just doesn't do anything, I don't think, right? No, it takes it off. Don't do it twice. Don't do it twice. Don't hit it twice. I thought nothing would happen. Instead, it removed my like, which is rude. If you ask me. Oh yeah. Yep. 11.5. 11.5, come on. Be my support. Be my support.